Hello students, today we will study about very important portion in our country. Okay, in SST we will study about country, about state. So we all are living in which country? India. And you know that which one is the capital of India? So the capital of India is Delhi. This is very important place in our country. So let's see about this part of our country. Okay. Delhi. We learn that India is divided into states and union territories. Each state is further divided into towns and cities. Big cities are known as metropolis or metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are the four metropolis. Now, these all are our country is very big. So first of all, our country divided states and states divided into town and cities. First one, we will see what is the location of Delhi. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. Delhi shares its border with Haryana on all sides and Uttar Pradesh in the east side. So the boundary of Delhi is Uttar Pradesh in the east side, and all over rest of the east Haryana is present in the boundary. Now the second topic is the national capital NCT. Okay, Delhi is the capital of National Capital Territories, in short form NCT of India. It is divided in Old Delhi and New Delhi. What is the climate of that place? Delhi has a tropical climate, means summer is long and hot. It lasts from April to October with the monsoon in the between. Hot winds blow in summer. These winds are called Lu. Which type of wind? Those winds are blow in the summer season. These winds are called Lu. In winter is very cold and brings heavy fog. July and August are the wet months. And what is the history of this place? Delhi has an interesting history. It is said that during the times of Mahabharata and built Indraprastha on the location of Delhi. ये महाभारत के टाइम से ही बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस प्लेस है. ओके. Shahinabad was the capital of Shahjahan, the Mughal emperor. This place is known as Old Delhi today. Now see New Delhi. New Delhi is the center of the government of India. New Delhi was designed and built by two British architects. ये इंडियन के थ्रू डिज़ाइन नहीं किया गया. It is designed by the British architects and his name Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate, Rajiv Chowk, Supreme Court of India and many other government buildings are located in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. ये बिल्कुल ही हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं उनके लिए ऑफिशियल रेसिडेंस होता है. The beautiful Mughal gardens are inside Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rajpath lies between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. Rajiv Chowk is a large circular shopping area in Delhi. Now the government has meeting in the Parliament House or Sadan Bhavan. We can say that the Prime Minister's office PMO in the South Block. Okay, Prime Minister office also situated in New Delhi. See the next topic. See, this is the Parliament House and Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now coming to the next one, traveling in Delhi. This is also very important topic for Delhi. If you want to travel through Delhi, you have choice the buses, auto rickshaws and taxis also. Most of these vehicles move on pollution free fuel called CNG. Okay, this is the natural gas uses in vehicles, and using CNG pollution so many times pollution are controlled. Okay. The Delhi Metro too is very convenient way of transportation. It is very convenient for us. Tourist attraction. Many important historical monuments are located in Delhi. So many monuments like Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Red Fort and Jama Masjid was built by the Mughal ruler Shah Jahan. The other interesting places to visit are the Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, and Humayun Tomb, Nehru Planetarium, and Zoological Park also. People pay their respect to Mahatma Gandhi at his Samadhi in Rajghat. It is also situated in Delhi. Shanti Bhavan is the Samadhi of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate burns all the time, not only daytime, not only night time, all the time it is burning in the memory of soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. There are many places of worship in Delhi. Worship places mean just related, those places just related for religion. And the examples are the Birla Mandir and the Akshardham temple are some famous temples. The White House of Worship, popularly known as the Lotus Temple, is a major tourist attraction. The Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, the Jama Masjid and the St. James Church are very popular places of worship too. Now festivals. This is also very important part of any places now. Let's see. All festivals are celebrated in Delhi with great cheer. बहुत खुशी के साथ, बहुत हैप्पीनेस के साथ सेलिब्रेट की जाती है. On Independence Day, every 15 August, the Prime Minister of India addresses the nation from Red Fort. The Republic Parade is a large cultural and military parade held at Rajpath. Fairs are held in large exhibition ground called Pragati Maidan. Pragati Maidan में बहुत सारे fairs भी लगते हैं. Okay, see the next line. A festival called फूल वालों की सैर is celebrated each year in September. ये जो festival है वो every year celebrated, especially in September. People from all over India and the world come to Delhi in search of jobs and other purposes. बहुत सारे लोग जॉब के सर्च में और दूसरे मेडिकल पर्पसेस से एंड एनी अदर पर्पसेस से दिल्ली आते हैं. Some settle down in this city forever. कुछ तो यहाँ सेटल डाउन भी हो जाते हैं. They have different mother tongues, traditional food, clothes and festivals. However, there is a completely unity in this diversity. So क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑल ओवर द कंट्री से आते हैं लोग, रह जाते हैं, बस जाते हैं, सेटल डाउन हो जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम डिफरेंट डाइवर्सिटीज़ की यूनिटी मीन्स बहुत वेराइटीज़ के लोग एक साथ देखने को मिल सकते हैं. ओके, सी आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू are understanding these topics. Okay, if you don't know understand this topic, please see this video again and again and try to understand it. Okay, thank you students.